Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Lightroom application on mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Lightroom application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to show you guys how we can edit photo using this Lightroom application. Okay, for example, I'm going to edit this photo. Okay, and wait for a moment. Alright, and here we can use editing tools on Lightroom. You can access the editing tools right here at the bottom. And for example, I'm going to crop my photo. Okay, if you want to crop, just go to the crop menu. Okay, and here you'll be able to rotate your photo as well, or flip your photo like this. And I'm going to click on the check mark. Okay, and then guys, we can go to the editing. Just click on edit and wait. Okay, here we can adjust the lightness, the color, the effect, detail, and optics. And wait, I'm going to adjust the light. I'm going to increase the exposure. Oops, just a little bit like this. And then I'm going to increase the contrast as well. And I'm going to activate the HDR mode. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the color, and I'm going to increase the saturation. Okay, and increase the vibrance as well. And then the tint, just a little bit. Okay, and then you can play around with the white balance like this. Oops. Okay, wait, I'm going to undo. I don't want to do anything with this white balance. Alright, and then go to the detail, and here you'll be able to increase the sharpen. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the color noise and increase the color noise reduction. Okay, I'm going to increase the details and the smoothness. Okay, now it's done guys, and if you want to save it, you can click on these three dots and click on save copy to device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit photo using Lightroom. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.